As a Jamaican citizen, have you ever wondered how your voice is represented in the country's political landscape? Do you feel that your concerns are being heard and addressed by those in power? In this article, we'll explore the world of Jamaican politics and examine how you, the people, can make a difference. As a citizen, you play a vital role in shaping Jamaica's future. Here are ways you can make your voice heard. Number 1, vote. Exercise your right to vote in elections and referendums. Number 2, join a political party. Become a member of a party that aligns with your values. 3, attend community meetings. Engage with local leaders and discuss community concerns. Number 4, contact your representative. Reach out to your member of parliament with issues. Number 5, stay informed. Follow reputable news sources and stay up to date on current events. Despite progress, Jamaican politics faces challenges. 1, partisan politics. Divisive party loyalty can hinder national progress. 2, corruption. Allegations of corruption undermine trust in institutions. 3, crime and violence. High crime rates affect citizens' quality of life. 4, economic growth. Jamaica's economy struggles with debt and unemployment. As a citizen, your voice can be heard and you can contribute to positive change by doing the following. Number 1, demand accountability. Hold leaders accountable for their actions. 2, support civic organizations. Engage with groups promoting good governance. 3, advocate for policy reform. Push for policies addressing social and economic issues. 4, encourage youth participation. Empower young Jamaicans to take an active role. Jamaican politics is not just about politicians, it's about you, the people. By understanding the system, exercising your rights, and demanding change, you can shape Jamaica's future. Remember, your voice matters. Together, let's amplify the voice of the people and build a brighter future for Jamaica.